If your OTP is not coming on your mobile, don't worry. Here's how to fix the OTP not received problem on any smartphone. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're using mobile data or Wi-Fi, it should be working properly. Also, check that airplane mode is turned off because this can block SMS and OTP messages completely. Now, go to your Messages app. Tap and hold the app icon, then tap on App Info. From here, go to Permissions. Make sure Contacts permission is set to Allow. Then scroll down and check SMS permission and ensure that that is also allowed. This step is very important for fixing SMS verification issues. After that, go back and tap on Storage. Then tap Clear Cache. This helps fix temporary bugs causing OTP not to arrive. Once done, restart your phone and try requesting the OTP again. This method works for most Android devices and helps fix OTP not coming, SMS not received, and verification code issues. And yeah, that's it. Your problem should be solved.